Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel Expert and Sim. Today I traveled to Stone House of Ooty, which was beautiful and which has constructed nicely. This was the house was the first bungalow constructed in Ooty, and today it is officially resident of the principal of the Government Arts and College, and it has been converted to a small museum. And Stone House is one of the most important historical monument of Ooty. But yes, if you are if you are history lovers and families and students, it's a good place to visit. And it's a small museum, but with a collection of worth watching. With so many collections there, which we not wasting time or simply spending waste of money. It's not, but it's really worth. And this museum is located. It's located on a silent hill, and the entry fees for this museum is 5 rupees for adults and 20 rupees if you want to take photograph or video. You have to pay 20 rupees, and we can see the preserved birds and animals were amusing to observe. And the museum has been well maintained, and they have display all about the various tribes, animals and plants which belong to this region. And different tribes of Ooty live in the earlier days. Also, they have been displayed in this museum, and they have shown what kind of tools they have used and how they live at the early days. They have put they have displayed in this museum. Yes, we can spend around 30 to 45 minutes in this museum, and it's a plenty of parking place that free, which are no need to pay for the parking place, and there is no wait time. We can go directly since there is not a crowded in the museum. Government holiday, it's closed for this museum, and Sunday is open, Thursday is open, and Friday is open. Tuesday, I don't remember exactly. I think Tuesday it's closed for this museum. And they have display which kind of utensil they have used at that areas, and coins, sword. Yes, this is their alphabet. It's different kinds of alphabet. This is a I have visited so many museums, so this is the first museum I have I can take a video inside. Most of the place they are not allowed to take a photograph and video inside the museum. Manu Sanskrit. It's in a bamboo Manu Sanskrit. If you are new for my channel, so please subscribe, share. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you next video.